Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1966 Chevrolet Nova. This is a true L79 super sport car, all matching numbers car. Pretty car, guys. I actually sold this car about 2 years ago. And the gentleman that I sold it to, man, he's just kept the car in impeccable condition. He's made a couple little changes, which we'll talk about. But originally, I bought this car out of a collection out of Tennessee. My buddy down there found it for me. We bought 3 awesome cars from this guy. But beautiful car, guys. Again, very hard to find factory L79 car with the matching numbers engine. The drivetrain is all correct. It's got the correct casting code for the Muncie transmission. It's got the correct casting code for the rear end, and just a pretty car. Factory red on red car. When I originally had it, it had a set of Billet specialty wheels on it. Dave, the gentleman I sold it to, he actually changed it over, and I like this look. It's got the big and littles, the American Racing 15-inch torque thrust with BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it. Nice car. Like I say, when I bought it, it had been restored. Probably, I think it was 5 or 6 years prior to that. And like I say, Dave's had it for a couple years, but very nice car. And it's still got a little. You can see a couple little touch-up marks that you can nitpick in the paint. But man, is this car nice, guys. Same thing, just a couple little stone pecks, I guess I should say. But pretty car. Again, factory red on red car, which I love. You can see the chrome and stainless is very nice. Got the little bumperettes on it. Sorry, I gotta move my shadow here. We're remodeling our building right now, so we're a little we're shooting cars here on the side, which it'll be actually a little bit quieter than out front, but I don't like the aesthetics, man. I like our sign and all the photos and everything. Glass is nice. Awesome running and driving car. This is a hard car to find, guys. Great color combo. You can see a few little dings in the trim. Remember that being there, just a little crack in the paint. Good tight car, shifts out good. This looks like the original tail panel, so you can nitpick it a little bit. Right before all this pandemic came down, I looked at a blue one at a little show down in North Carolina. And I'll tell you what, nowhere near this car, and it brought more than what we were going to be asking for this, I'll tell you that right now. Good car, nice and straight. Comes with 2 sets of wheels, comes with the factory hubcaps and white wall tires as well. Brand new set of 15-inch Americans, good rubber on it. Now the previous owner is the one who he actually added power steering and power disc brakes to this car. From the factory, these cars were manual steering, and they were also manual drum brakes. So those are good adds. Again, does have the matching numbers. I can show you this here. You should be able to see that. Matching numbers engine in it. It's got the correct winner's intake. I believe it's Holley 4-barrel. The double hump heads. Does have the correct ram's horn manifolds on it. What Dave did, he actually converted it over. It's actually got an L79 replacement cam in it. When I say that, it's a hydraulic roller cam. So the cam card's in there. And then also I think he replaced the harmonic balancer, he said. Again, added power steering, added disc brakes. Those would not have been factory options. It's got the chrome air cleaner on it, the chrome valve covers, correct Muncie 4-speed manual trans. And like I say, look how clean this car is. He kept it just gorgeous. He's a car guy. Him and I have done a few trades, to be honest with you. He's a car man. And I'm sure this isn't our last deal we'll come across. Very nice car underneath. Yeah, it's just a nice car. Again, same thing as when we had it the first time. There's a few little marks in the A-pillar chrome. New mirrors, new door handles. The stainless on the top of the door there is nice. You can see how nice and clean these doors are. I love the red. Like there's a little stone peck there. That's the problem with these factory seat belts in these cars. They're not retractable in 66. 66 seat belts were an option. They didn't even come standard in the car. Really nice bucket seats. You can see they're plush. Somebody's definitely redone all that. Correct shifter. It's got the sport steering wheel. Again, all the Fisher body seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Really cool steering wheel. It's got some aftermarket gauges in here. 37,654. I'm sure that's not the original miles. He's got the knee knocker tach, AM radio. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. I think it's Flowmaster. I'll have to check my notes to be honest with you. It's got 12-bolt rear end. I believe a 331 gear. See your original part number on your quarter panels. Both are still there. A lot to like about this car, guys. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Factory jack was spare. Guess what, guys? I'm getting out to my first show next week, so got my fingers crossed. Maybe I'll buy 20 cars, I'm hoping. I'm sure that's highly unlikely, but we definitely need the inventory. You guys have about bought us out of cars. We counted up today. We have 7 cars for sale right now. The good thing is, while we're remodeling our building, we have a little room. Man, it's a pretty car, man. It's getting so hard to find nice stuff. It really is. Dash is nice. That tach's super cool. You can see how nice that console is. That's all brand new. Go ahead, Jordy. It's got the correct Nova rubber mats in it. Like I say, nice thing now, it's actually a hydraulic roller camshaft in it. That runs out awesome. These are such sweet little cars, man. Got great looks. Gauges are all working, good oil pressure, fuel gauge works, no on the clock, tach works, parking brake does work. Radio, Jordy?
No.
No? Blower motor?
Yep.
Blower motor works, okay. Doors closed nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. If you do that, there's a little button at the bottom. I believe it's at the bottom, so you can click on. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these new videos. Oh, Jordy's getting away from me. Pretty car. Have a great day, guys.